Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I'm going to show you on how to simply insert copyright symbol, trademark, and register in MS Word. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So to insert copyright, trademark, register in MS Word, so let's see. The very first thing you want to do on your keyboard to insert copyright, press Alt, Control plus C, and that will give you copyright symbol, just like what you see on the screen right here. Now, to insert trademark symbol in MS Word, what you need to do is to press Alt key, Control key, and T on your keyboard. You have trademark symbol in your MS Word. Now, let's see to insert register mark in MS Word. And for you to do that, press Alt key, Control plus have, then you have register mark. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.